Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine Solutions, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the JL Audio XDM800 amplifier. This is an 8-channel amplifier, full range. When we open up our packaging, you'll have the amplifier. You'll have your documentation, warranty information, as well as the JL Audio badge and the Allen key for removing the cover and inserting the wire connectors. Once we remove our protection end caps and our plastic wrap around the amplifier, like all of the XDM series amplifiers, this is a black powder coated amplifier. Has the same form factor as the 1005. We'll go ahead and remove this cover. After removing the gasketed cover, I'll expose your audio controls as well as your inputs and outputs. Starting with the inputs and outputs, you have your power section over here for power, ground, and remote. You have your line ins for channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have your remote level input, and then you have your 8 channels of audio output. These are full range outputs, so you can run everything from a subwoofer off of the channel as well as speakers. Under that gasketed cover, you have your controls, so you have a car and boat mode. This is going to reduce more noise in the boat environment. And then you have your turn on mode for remote, offset, and signal. You have your remote level mode for doing all channels, channel 5 through 8, or just 7 and 8. And then you have your input mode. And JL's very good. They give you off of that. They kind of give you a description right here on the cover of what this input mode, how it works. And then moving across to the speaker section, you have your line control, or sorry, your gain control, and then your filter mode here, and then your filter frequency. This is a great amplifier for running 8 coaxial speakers, 4 coaxial speakers, and a subwoofer bridged at 4 ohms, or if you're running 8.8-inch speakers, this is a great amplifier to run for those, bridging all 8 of these channels to give proper power to the 8.8 speakers. It's a very robust amplifier, feels really good. JL's known for their quality. This powder coating, it feels very, very good. And that is the XDM800. You can find the link in the description below to our website for this product. And if you have any questions, please comment, or on the website, reach out in our chat or email. Thanks for watching.